Do you have a fear of owning a cabin up north? Is it because what would I do if I need help with something? What would I do if I need work and I'm not there? Hi everyone, it's Shawn Huston and it's another Tip Tuesday. And this one is about, do you have a fear of owning a cabin up north? Is it because what would I do if I need help with something? What would I do if I need work and I'm not there? So one of the things that here at Huston Real Estate we've done forever is, because of the type of environment that we work in and the customers that we work with, we have often assisted people when they're not here. And what I mean by that is we have a whole closet full of keys of places that we've already sold. So they've bought their place, they own it, but they keep a key with us because we forget our keys on the way up, can't get in. We need a contractor to get in and we're not here. Or the alarm's gone off and we need to go out and let someone into the house or check the house, or meet the police if there has been a break-in. So we have done all of those things for people throughout the years to let them know that they have peace of mind in owning this. Also, we always use the term, hey, I got a guy, right? Because we do. We have all kinds of contractors that we've worked with, created relationships with, let them know that we want them to be our lawn service person or our snow plowing contractor or just a septic pump out contractor, one of our best customers that we work with. And so we've created the relationships with them because you're not here all the time and you don't see that septic guy but every 5 years when you need to pump out what. But we're here and we meet with them every week. So they have a relationship with us that they want to keep in good standings. And so when we refer people to them, they know, one, that they're already warmed up and ready because that customer knows that this is the guy that we trust, and they know that they can trust him. And then that contractor has that responsibility to take care of the person. And of course, we only work with people that we know that we can trust. So if you have that concern of what will I do when all these things come up, know that we've got a guy and we can help with that. So I hope that that's answered your questions. If you've got other questions about cabin ownership in Northern Michigan, please drop us a line, send us a message, or we'd love a phone call. Talk to you soon. Thank you very much.